In India, households across close their doors and windows every evening for protection from mosquitoes. But during one particular week, this behavior changes. Legend has it that on Dhanteras, Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, emerged from the cosmic ocean. It is believed that she still visits her devotees' homes in the festive days between Dhanteras and Diwali. In the hope of a prosperous year, people leave their doors and windows open, guiding the goddess with hand-drawn footsteps and handmade oil lamps called diyas, leading to their homes. But unfortunately, as goddess Lakshmi comes home, so does the threat of dengue and malaria.
Amidst Diwali celebrations, dengue and malaria cases surge, witnessing an increase in cases of fever among children.
A significant rise in dengue cases.
Asking believers to shut their doors and windows would mean abandoning an age-old tradition, thereby disrespecting the goddess.
दिवाली की रात तो हमें खिड़की दरवाजे भी खुला रखना है।
बिल्कुल लक्ष्मी भी आसीबे कबाट बंद के लक्ष्मी भी आसीबे बंद हो जिवो
डेंगूचे डास आणि मलेरियाचे डास तर येणार घरात
মা লক্ষ্মী রেগে গেলে তাহলে তো ঘরের সুখ শান্তি চলে যাবে।
How do you solve a problem deeply rooted in culture? The answer lies in the culture itself, the diya that guides the goddess to homes. Mortein, a trusted pest protection brand, decided to address this problem, introducing Raksha Jyoti, a light that fights. The brand created a special wax-filled diya which people can place outside the door on the day of Diwali. When lit, it releases mosquito-repellent actives, letting people keep their doors and windows open, thus protecting them and their culture. To raise awareness about this innovation, Mortein created an integrated campaign sparking tremendous engagement. It then went to high-risk areas and educated people on mosquito-borne diseases while distributing Raksha Jyoti packs all across, thus protecting thousands of families. Thanks to Mortein's Raksha Jyoti, the Diwali spirit will not only celebrate the homecoming of prosperity but also good health, and India can welcome Goddess Lakshmi without the fear of mosquitoes.